doves fly high, spread the word of peace from above the sky. This world is brimming with knowledge. Come, let's find the light, build on our hopes and fly high.
Welcome to the Borderland, the land of mighty Kokrajhar, son of Bhim and Hirimba, where the earth dances to the tune of Bagurumba, where the valley rings with the sound of Kam, Sifung and Serza, where wisdom thrives on integrity, the land of divine and serenity. Welcome to Kokrajhar, the city of peace.
Bagurumba, Bagurumba.